Vakomana nevasikana munyika yeZimbabwe tofana kudzidza kuappreciate nyika yedu. Uri kuona view iri here? Uri kunatsoona zvakanaka na ma-islands tinawo. Awo ma-islands ari mukati meKariba. Those are islands. From here you can actually see quite a number of those islands. We've got quite a number of islands here in Zimbabwe. So we just have to appreciate our beautiful nation of Zimbabwe. Yes, as we're here in Kariba, there are just a few things which I just need to show you. I just need to show you around. Like here we've got this scalp which was done by a lady called Tandi, Ronika Tandi. She's the one who did this thing. And very soon I just want to go and visit the lady who did this piece of art. Yes, this artwork here. And yes, it was donated by Ronika Tandi to the municipality of Kariba, I'm sure. So very soon we just want to visit the lady who did this. She's a Zimbabwean. Ronika Tandi is a Zimbabwean, and we're going to do an interview with her. And you know, she's one person who is doing a lot of art pieces like this, big and small. So we are going to visit Ronika Tandi, and what really inspired her to make this kind of artwork, and also what made her to donate this piece of artwork to the city of Kariba. So very soon we're going to visit her. We're going to be having an interview with her. Yes, welcome back to yet another video, yet your favorite channel of your choice. So if you are new to this channel, I kindly ask you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that every time we upload a video, you will be notified. As you can see, this piece, it is located just close to the Kariba Dam. Yes, just close to the Kariba Dam. Actually, you can see the Kariba Dam from from here. You can see the whole view of Kariba Dam, including some islands which are inside the Kariba Dam. Wow, this is a very good view. When you come to Kariba, make sure that you come and see this artwork, which was done by one of our own. It's a lady, okay? It's a lady who did this artwork. So very soon we're going to be having an interview with her. Here as well, you can see, or here also you can see a lot of artists who are selling their artworks here. A lot of artworks, some stoneworks which they did, and I'm sure there is still more you can get here in Kariba. There's still more you can get from the town of Kariba. Ayo, ndozo ndangoti andazama kutaura chirungu, andazama.